The Articulated Leopard Gecko just completed. It took 8 hours and 56 minutes to complete. This is the first print on this one. I do see quite a bit of stringing going on with it. Nothing that can't be corrected. Part of that stringing comes from the time-lapse photography. When the printhead moves back and shifts the table, I get some of that stringing. So the bed is down to 39 degrees. So hopefully this will just pull right off, and it does. I'm going to separate the head. We got a little bit of stringing right here in the head. A little bit of the X-Acto knife will clean those up real quick. So will my thumbnail. Not sure what's gone on here with these tree supports. Looks like horns. But it's a little odd. They're there to support the eyes, I guess. Well, that definitely did not work. I mean, this really kind of screwed up on the connector, because it is not in here, or if it is, these supports didn't work well. There we go. There's the... It was twisted in there. It's a little different than the other lizards that MatMire's been doing. Or I didn't print it right. Hard telling. Anything's possible. But it's kind of odd here. I mean, it's moving. Here's up and down, but no left or right. Okay, so that's the head. May end up reprinting that, I don't know. I print these on a raft. This tail, I probably didn't need to print this on a raft. But being the first time I've printed this, you never know how they're going to turn out. And since I've had quite good luck with printing on rafts for the lizards, I just decided to go ahead with this. Okay. Typically I get the arms freed up a little bit. Then I use the X-Acto knife to just get the toes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn the camera. Just using the flat edge of the X-Acto. Break the toes free. This one was, the leg was still connected. One, there we go. So now the back is freed. And we just have a little bit still in the front. So there's the raft. Here's the tail, which, like I said, I've got some stringing here. It just needs to be touched up a little bit. That's tight. Break free the arm a little bit. There we go. A little bit of stringing there. This arm's still tight. This arm's still tight. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, you can see the string. You put little hooks in so that the arms can go into it. They slip into that little hook, and then they prop up. Okay, so this one may be a challenge to get this head on, because I'm not real sure that printed the way it should have. Usually these print real good. then it just pops right on. Don't want to put them on upside down. We need to put them on the right side up. So, recommendation is to get one side in and then get the other. So here's the little guy. Leopard gecko. And if we can get the arms to clip in, he'll stand up. And then we have the leopard gecko. So all in all, it looks like it turned out pretty good.